guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about visibility graphic and how you can use that in your REVIT project. So you can use that by the whole project level and by the just in level 1 or level 3 by just level, or you can just apply that visibility graphic by only elements. Well, we're gonna talk about all three things in this video. Before we jump into this, I want to share a little bit you guys about how you can hide and review items with the visibility graphics. So I'll just type in VV in my keyboard and it brings you guys to this box here. So I'll just click W, it brings you to the words, and and check this, apply, and OK. You cannot see that war items in this level 1, but if you go to level 3 you can see that here, right? So I'll go back to the level 1 and go to the VV, type in W, check to the words, apply, and OK. So that's how you can hide and review items with visibility graphic.
So we can change, maybe let's say that the color of a column by the whole project. All you have to do, you need to be in the manage tab and go to the object styles. Sorry, and now you're in the model objects, right? If there are annotation objects, if you want to change some, tag and tags and all about that has to do with annotation. Analytical model objects and important objects. So basically, most of the time we deal with the model objects. So this you can also use the filter. I want to change the columns, so I will choose only structure, and then here go to the structure columns. This is like the line color of the structure and then the line pattern. So if I want to change the line, I'll click on the line and then I can change that to whatever color that I want to have. So I'll change that to red and click on OK. I can even change that the cut line. So I'll change that to 6, make a bit darker. So I'll hit apply and I click OK. Now you can see that by the whole project, not just level 1, 2, 3, 4, all the level 1, all the levels, the color changes to the red. And if I go to the plan view, the thickness of the line, the cut lines, so it turns a lot more darker because I changed the line level to 6, I think. So this is like changing to the whole project view. So if you go to the level 3, level 2, all things are the same, right? So so this is like changing by the whole project. If you don't want to change, it's okay. Go to the auto style once again. Structure columns, change that to number 4, and color to be black once again. And click OK. So if you want to change just by this level 1, all you have to do is type in VV in your keyboard or VG. So I'll type VV and then it brings you to this box. So this box basically means that you can override visibility graphic for your floor plan level 1. So what you should know is that the changes you made in this box, it will be only applied to the models and then the structures, maybe the bins, the columns, the words, only in level 1, right? You will not notice the changes in level 2 because this is only for level 1. So if you want to change to the words, just type in W in your keyboard and it brings you to the words. The words are like cat items, so I'm gonna have to make changes to the cat items. Go to the override and I'll make the changes on the foreground and the background. So foreground, I want a pattern to be this pattern, brickwork, and the color. I want to have maybe this color. and then the background I want to be solid and this color, right? So I've override the cat lines. A line I'm not gonna override to the line. So I'll click apply and okay. So the words have changed the foreground and the background as you can see here. But if you go to level 3, you will not notice any changes made to this level because what we have to do is just by only by the level. So you can also reset, type in PV once again, and then go to type in, type in W and click on that and clear overrides. Click OK. So it bring it now back to the normal. So this is like changing it by the level. You can also do that with the columns and any other items. But what if you want to make changes to only this wall here? You can also do that. So all you have to do is just click on the wall that you want to make changes and then right click on that. There's the override graphic view. You should choose to by element because you only want to make changes to this wall that I've selected right here. So by element, wall is also the cat item. So I'll make the changes. Now let's click on this here and then material. I want this and background solid is good and black. Apply and okay. So black is not that good. So make changes once again. The color I want that to be only this color, a little bit gray. So that's it. This is how you can apply and make changes to your model elements in your project using visibility and graphics. I think this video helps you out a lot with your Revit journey. If it does, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on another video. Thank you.